Hello guys, my dear students. In this class we are going to learn the difference between the entrepreneur and the employee. My students, we are having generally three terms: entrepreneur, intrapreneur and employee. In our next class, I'll tell you the meaning of intrapreneur. E-N-T-R-A. But today I am telling the meaning of entrepreneur. entrepreneur, entrepreneur, and the employee. The difference between entrepreneur and the employee. My students, make it point here. Entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is a person who is always willing to be his or her own boss. They are not controlled by someone. They are always willing to be controlled by themselves. Control. These are those persons who want to be controlled by them on their own. Self-controller. As well as boss. They are not willing to have order from anyone. They are always wish to have order from themselves. They listen to their own mind. They listen to their own words. They follow their own instructions. They are always willing to be independent. We can say on boss. They are the boss. Not we can say only a on boss. The boss of others also. The on boss. Controller. Control plus orders. Orders. They give the order to someone. They give the order to someone. They create the employment opportunity. Employment opportunity. Plus, they are restless person. They are always willing to work a lot. They are not having a fixed schedule of working. Plus, they take a lot of risk in doing something, in doing a business. Lot of risk doing something on the basis of creativity and innovation. And a reward in the form of profit, etc. A number of characteristics are there of the entrepreneur. They are very innovative, creative, and a good manager, good leader, etc. But when we are talking about the employee, they are not the boss. They are servant of someone. Not control. They work under someone. Work under someone. They have to follow the orders. Follow the orders. They have to follow the orders of their employer. They are the employee. They do not create the employment opportunity. They are having the fixed schedule of working. Fixed schedule. Fixed schedule of doing work, because if someone is employed in any business organization, there may be the fixed period of time, fixed duration of doing the work. That is called working hours. From one point of time to another point of time. Example, from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. or 10 a.m. to 5 or 6 p.m. Fixed working hour. fixed schedule. But when we are talking about the entrepreneur, they are not having a fixed schedule. They are restless. They have to work over a night also. Or day and night we can say, not overnight. Day and night they have to work. Risk. They are not taking risk. No or little risk. लिटिल रिस्क नहीं होता है इनका, या और लिटिल कैसे, जैसे अभी बेटा फिलहाल केस चल रहा है आपका कोरोना का, तो हो सकता है एम्प्लॉयज को शायद सैलरी ना मिले, या फिर किसी नॉर्मल डेज में भी किसी बिजनेसमैन को बहुत ज्यादा लॉस होता चला जाए, तो शायद चांसेस बन जाते हैं कि एम्प्लॉय को छोड़कर जाना पड़े या उसकी सैलरी कुछ रुक जाए, तो लिटिल चांसेस हैं रिस्क के. अदरवाइज वी कैन से नो रिस्क फॉर द एम्प्लॉय. लेकिन एंटरप्रेन्योर के लिए हमेशा रिस्क होता है लॉस का, और एंटरप्रेन्योर तो क्योंकि नया करता है और वो नया मार्केट में एक्सेप्ट होगा या नहीं होगा उसका भी रिस्क होता है. अवार्ड, व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अवार्ड, ही गेट द सैलरी, he get the salary at a fixed rate, salary per day, per working hours may be there, per month, etc. And he is not having the fixed profit. They may be high, low, or maybe low sometimes. My dear student, this is the basic difference between entrepreneur and the employee. He is independent, वो independent है, खुद पर निर्भर है, और एंड वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हियर एम्प्लॉय इज डिपेंडेंट. एम्प्लॉय डिपेंडेंट होता है अपने एम्प्लॉयर पर, एंटरप्रेन्योर पर. माय डियर स्टूडेंट, होप यू हैव गॉट द डिफरेंस इन वेल मैनर. थैंक यू.